how you can clear your dark spots using vitamin C and azelaic acid. I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide that you can follow in your skincare routine. After cleansing your face, the first thing you'll want to use is a very good hydrating toner. Here I'm using the Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Essence Water as my first step. The next step you may need is an essence. Here I'm using the Tiam, Snail and Azulene water essence. This is an optional step. I just like my skin hydrated, hence why I use this within my routine. The next step you want to add is a vitamin C serum. Here I'm using the Tiam Vitamin C 24 Surprise Serum within my routine. I would advise that you apply this on your skin when it's a little bit damp. I also like to wait between 5 to 10 minutes to allow the vitamin C to absorb before my next step, which is the azelaic acid. Here I'm using a gel type product, but you can use a serum if you have. You already know vitamin C boosts collagen and azelaic acid helps with redness and acne. The combination of these two can brighten your skin, address hyperpigmentation and promote an even complexion. The next step is to apply your moisturizer. What I'll be using is the Isntree Green Tea Fresh Emulsion. And for the final step within this routine is to end it up with a sunscreen. Here I'm using the Skin Aqua UV Super Moisture Gel Sunscreen with SPF 50. And there you have it, an ultimate skincare routine for treating hyperpigmentation with vitamin C and azelaic acid. Will you be following this routine? Let me know in the comments.